Welcome, today I'm running with OnePlus 10T and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on that device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here a notification volume panel, and just to mute notifications we should hold and swipe to the left side. There is blue dot. If you want to make it by the second way, just first press up or down volume button on the left side of your phone, then click here to the settings icon and you'll see here notifications volume panel. Just swipe this volume panel to the down with your finger and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.